Join us on Thursday, July 23rd at 10 a.m. Eastern for a webcast auction for CNC machines, machining tools and support equipment. Featuring 3 Haas Street 20 CNC lathes, as new as 2025, over 15 Haas CNC mills like a VF6, VF4, VF3, VF2 and VF1. 5 Swiss CNC screw machines including a Nardini MS1440E, Star SV32JII, Star SD16 and more. Mills, lathes, polishing lathes, Behringer and Heidmech horizontal saws. Forklifts, Haas Trunnion, lots of quality tooling, transformer, inspection equipment, and much more. For more information visit us at myronbowling.com. Register for the auction at bidspotter.com.